Welcome to Ajayasthro Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the recent developments in the sugar market, where ICE raw sugar futures have plunged to their lowest levels in almost 2 years. We'll explore the key factors driving this decline, including fund selling, global demand concerns, and the impact of weather conditions on major sugar-producing countries. On Tuesday, raw sugar futures on the ICE exchange experienced a significant drop, with October contracts falling by 0.45 cents, or 2.50%, to settle at 17.57 cents per pound. This marks the weakest level seen since October 2022. In parallel, October white sugar futures in London also saw a decline, dropping by $11.20, or 2.18%, to $502.50 per metric ton. These movements come on the heels of a 1.8% loss in the previous week, highlighting the sustained pressure on sugar prices. Several factors have contributed to this downward trend. A key driver has been reduced demand from China, one of the largest sugar importers globally. This, coupled with recent weakness in crude oil prices, has further weighed on sugar futures. In Brazil, dry weather conditions have accelerated the sugarcane harvest, leading to increased production volumes. However, there are concerns that this could negatively impact yields later in the crop cycle, adding to the market's uncertainty. Over the past 6 weeks, sugar prices have been under consistent pressure due to signs of ample global supplies. The USDA recently raised its forecast for Egypt's sugar imports, citing lower than expected local production. Additionally, optimism about crop conditions in key producers like India and Thailand is influencing the market. India's sugar production outlook has improved thanks to above-average monsoon rainfall, which has bolstered expectations for a robust sugar crop. Brazil's sugar industry is sending mixed signals to the market. While the industry group Unica reported that sugar production in the second half of July reached 3.61 million metric tons, this represents a 2.16% decrease from the previous year. Furthermore, sugarcane yields have dropped by 10%, raising concerns about future output. The potential for frosts in Brazil's sugar-growing regions adds another layer of uncertainty to the market outlook. On the speculative front, traders have slightly reduced their bearish positions on raw sugar futures during the week of August 13, according to the latest data from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC). As we look ahead, market participants are closely monitoring key support and resistance levels for October sugar contracts. These are currently identified at 17.35 to 17.14 cents and 17.95 to 18.34 cents per pound, respectively. The near-term outlook remains uncertain, with several factors, including weather conditions in Brazil, potential policy changes in India, and record heat in Thailand affecting sugarcane crops, expected to shape market dynamics. As we move forward, the sugar market remains in a state of flux, with various factors contributing to price volatility. We'll continue to monitor these developments closely and keep you updated with the latest insights and analysis. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the commodities market. Thank you for tuning into Ajayasthro Guru. Stay informed, stay ahead.